So I did the Iron Butt 1,000 miles in under 24 hours. I actually did about 1,200 miles. So that was back in March. If you guys didn't see the video, check it out. But now I got the urge to do the Bun Burner 1,500 miles in under 36 hours. And at the same time, we're gonna try to do at the same time, another Iron Butt 1,000 miles, including with the Bun Burner 1,500 miles. So in today's video, we're gonna go over the bike, how I'm getting it ready for this crazy trip. We're gonna go over basically where I plan to do the 1,500 miles. So stay tuned, because in a couple days, we're hitting the road at 5 a.m. in the morning, and it's going to be a hell of a trip. Stay tuned. You guys are probably thinking, what are you, damn crazy? 1,500 miles in under 36 hours? Anyway, yeah, we're doing it. So anyway, yeah, we did the Iron Butt coming back from Daytona bike rally. So I left in the morning from Daytona and rode straight through into New Jersey. I did 1,200 miles in, I think it was like 23 hours. So did the Iron Butt. So now I'm thinking, hey, gotta try the Bun Burner. What's next, right? 1,500 miles in under 36 hours. And on top of that, not only am I gonna try the Bun Burner 1,500 miles in under 36 hours, with that same ride, I'm gonna try to do another Iron Butt, 24 hours, 1,000 miles. I'm gonna try to. So I'll have actually another attempt at the saddle sore, and I'll try to do the Bun Burner. So that's gonna be pretty interesting. So let me go over a couple quick things. Recently on the bike, the bags are off. There's a reason behind that, is because my chain on the chain drive is a little loose. So I'm actually waiting, it's coming today. I'm waiting for a 1 7/16 socket so I can loosen my axle nut. So I could use the axle adjuster right there and tighten up my chain, because it's a little loose. They do stretch after so many miles, and I have not adjusted it yet since I got it, since it's new. So we're gonna be adjusting the chain. I'm gonna do that. I also installed the Zero 3D right here. You guys can see that Shock and Awe 2.0. I just installed that. Really, really cool. I put the control unit right there. This unit also operates via Bluetooth through the Zero 3D Shock and Awe app. So that's awesome, because through the app, you can put so many modes, adjust so many modes, adjust so many colors. It's crazy. But if you don't want to use the app, there's a controller right there. I'll show you. If you just hit that button, boom. I got some Zero green right there going on. And what's cool about it is this toggle switch right there, the controller, if you turn that, look, you could change the colors while you're riding. So we're gonna leave it on green for this video, because obviously it's Zero 3D green. Links are down below in the description. If you guys are interested in any lighting, I'm super happy that Silverback is all lit up with Zero 3D lighting products. We got everything lit up on the back, the Latitude, the panel lights. We have the machete lights on the bag, the hinge lights. We have everything. We got the bag blades on the back. We have the vent trim lighting. We have everything all lit up in the front. And now we're gonna be doing a lot of riding on this trip at night in the dark, and especially where I'm going on this trip to try to do this Bun Burner, we're gonna need this whole bike lit up. And I like the engine compartment all lit up like that. It looks super cool. Also, I'm gonna be checking my tire pressures. We have brand new brakes on the front. We got the 14-inch Arlen S big brake rotor kit, brand new fresh pads. Our back brake is absolutely fine. We just changed, you guys seen the clutch, so we have a new clutch and basket set up. I'm super stoked about that. I'm just waiting on the heavy duty springs that should be coming in Friday. I changed the fluids obviously in the primary. I just changed the engine oil and the trans. So we are good to go as far as all the fluids on Silverback. So once I do all that, I'll be putting the bags back on, the seat back on. I'm going to put my cargo rack back on. I'm gonna put my sissy bar on. and I'm going to be putting the bag over here, and I'll tell you why. I wanna go as light as possible. But this is the thing, having the bag where basically the passenger should sit, having the bag there, that's how I always ride on long trips. I have the cargo rack, I have the sissy bar, and then I have a small bag on the back. I have the big bag right here. And what that does is basically when I'm sitting, it allows me to lean and rest up against that bag, making the ride just so much more comfortable because you're supported. The bag basically supports your back up high. So even if you have a backrest, that doesn't necessarily, it supports your back, but much, much lower. Having the bag there is going to make this trip a lot more comfortable. So we're also going to be traveling light. I don't want to load the bike up. The riding gear that I have on my bike, basically that's what I'm gonna be wearing the entire day. My first manufacturing company, Kevlar riding jeans, I'll have that. I'll have my first manufacturing vest. I'll also be wearing my Indy Ridge gloves and boots because they are absolutely the most comfortable boots that you could possibly ever own. And that is no joke. A lot of people say it. I just got a lot of messages. A lot of people purchased those boots and they said the same thing, and they're amazing. It feels like a sneaker, but it is a riding boot with a lot of support in it around the ankle, so I love it. I was literally in those boots the entire time at Daytona, did not take them off because they are that comfortable. So check them out. All the links are down below in the description to First Manufacturing and to Indy Ridge. Check out their products. Use the codes down below in the description so this way you guys could get your discount on your entire purchase. Bring in some toiletries, some extra t-shirts, extra drawers, extra socks, probably a pair or two. Keeping it simple. I'm definitely going to be bringing my heated jacket liner just in case, because I'll tell you why in a second as far as where we're going. So I'll definitely have that in my bag, heated jacket liner. I'm going to be bringing my leather just in case, and 100% I'm going to be bringing my rain gear because you never know. Even though I am planning this trip, you never know when a spot up storm could pop up and then you're done, you're soaked, and just basically ruin your entire trip or entire day. So the bike's gonna be ready. I'm gonna have everything packed, and I'll show you guys that in another video as far as what exactly I take and the entire setup before we leave. So as far as where I'm going to go, this is what's interesting. I'm not going down south because I'm gonna be leaving during the week, and I don't want to go into an area where it's heavily populated, if that makes sense. I don't want to be stuck in traffic. So the longer I'm stuck in traffic, the more time I'm wasting, and I just might not make it. Also, stops, fueling stops. I'm gonna be taking a thermos with some coffee. I'm gonna be taking some snacks, some food with me as well. So this way, when I do have to refuel, I don't wanna have to run inside and go order food or wait for food and wait on lines. I wanna be basically in and out of these stops. As long as I feel fresh, I wanna be in and out. I'm definitely gonna be stopping anywhere from 150 to 200 miles every time, because just to stretch out the legs, refuel and so forth, but primarily to stretch out the legs and just kind of stretch it out. And what we're gonna be doing is, like I said, I'm not going south, we're going north. So I'm leaving New Jersey, probably 5 a.m. I'm going straight north as far as I can. Who knows, maybe we'll hit Canada. I'll show you guys some awesome sights along the way, so you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned to that video. And then from there, we're probably gonna be going 400 miles north, and then we're gonna be going probably about 700 miles straight east. So we're gonna be going through New York State, through Vermont, through New Hampshire, past Laconia, past Mount Washington, past the Whiteface Mountains, and into Maine. I'm gonna go all the way into Maine. So that will be 700 around there, 400 from New Jersey north, so that's 1100. And then it should be about 400 or 500 miles back home. I should have the 1500 miles or over to get the 1500 miles in under 36 hours. So that's the plan. As far as where I'm going to stop and sleep, I don't know, because I'm gonna basically keep riding until I'm tired. And as soon as I feel any bit tired or I feel that it's unsafe to proceed further, I'm gonna pull over and I'm gonna hop into a hotel for a couple hours like I did the last time, probably about 4, maybe 5 hours. I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna hit it again the next morning, and I should have probably about a good 12, 13 hours if I leave at 5 a.m. If I wake up 5 a.m. the next day, I'm good till 5 p.m. So I should have about another 12 hours to tackle 400 miles. So that's the plan. So go up north where it's definitely less traffic. The riding is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm gonna be going through some beautiful, beautiful country. The sights, the sounds are gonna be fantastic. So that's why I wanna do that route. Also, it's gonna be cooler. Probably gonna be in the 50s, 60s, possibly 70s during the day, but it's gonna be cooler. I don't wanna do this in 80, 90. If I go south, it's baking down south right now. So 80s, 90s, I don't wanna do that. And then also, I'm gonna have to change a lot of my riding gear as far as leave here with basically some cooler weather stuff and then start stripping down. So I don't wanna do that. I'm also gonna feel more comfortable and it's going to keep me awake if I'm riding in cooler weather. I noticed when I did the Saddle Soar 1000, it was actually cold. It was raining for the first probably 12 hours all the way from Daytona, Florida, all the way to Virginia. And it got down to probably 30 degrees. So it was horrible conditions, but I actually kind of happy about that because the cold weather kept me up. So I think if it's too warm, I'm gonna get too comfortable in the saddle and chance of falling asleep are probably greater. So I don't wanna do that. I'd rather be a little cooler for me. And I love riding in the cooler weather. The bike is going to run fantastic in the cooler weather. So kind of that's my thought and my game plan. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Have you guys ever done a bun burner 1500? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some pointers if you guys have ever done it. Also, guys, just so you know, we will be at Americade Lake George. I believe that's the 9th, Friday, June 9th. We will be at Americade. I will be at the Zero Rig. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, so this way you guys get notified of every video. This way you guys know when I'm there. I would love for you guys to come by and say hi. I'll keep you posted on the times. And then Saturday, we're leaving Americade and going straight to New Hampshire to Laconia for about 4 days. I'll be at the Zero 3D rig over there as well to do a meet and greet. Just stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully you guys can make it down to come say hi. And then we're also gonna be there with the boys, with the gang, so I can't wait because last time I had the clutch issue. I really didn't get a lot of riding in. So that is really the main focus when we're there this time in New Hampshire because there is just unbelievable, beautiful riding in New Hampshire through the mountains. Those roads are absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to experience that with the guys. We're gonna do a lot of riding in New Hampshire. And then we'll probably be coming back on the 14th, something like that. And then we're going to Sturgis. We're gonna be riding to Sturgis. I cannot wait. We're gonna be taking one way to Sturgis and then on the way back, we're gonna be going a different route. So that is going to be a hell of a trip and I can't wait. And we probably are going to have something else in store for you guys, something maybe different. So stay tuned for that. Comment down below. Links are down below, also in the description of the video on the products and also the discount codes. So please feel free to use them. I'll see you guys on the next one. And the next one, like I said, will be silverback, basically all back together. I'll let you guys know exactly what I pack, how it looks. We'll go over a few things and then I will be leaving on this 1,500 mile journey. Thanks for watching, guys.